So this video is about the APSC Inspectors of Factories admit card. For this post, admit card is going to be released today by the concerned authority APSC. Let me clear you the time. In the afternoon after 2 p.m. it would be available to you. Now if you are watching this video after releasing of the admit card, what you have to do? You have to simply open the browser, type there apsc.nic.in. As soon as you will type it, you will be redirected to its homepage. There you will get the link. If admit card has been released, there you will get the link. Click on that link, enter your credentials, login ID, password, whatever they have asked you, then click on the submit button. Admit card will be displayed on the screen, right? After displaying the admit card, firstly check all the details that are right or wrong. If everything is correct, you can go to the nearest cyber cafe to take a printout or a hard copy with you to carry to your exam center. So you have to take a hard copy of the admit card. So this was the update about the admit card. For more updates, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned with us.